G'day folks. Well, after a bit of umming and ahhing about the whole heat thing with restoring mud flaps, I've decided to give it a go because, well, using plastic conditioner ain't going to do jack to this. So I've given it a try and it does actually work. There is some residual chemical on it from the Autoglym plastic and vinyl restorer, so that might be helping as well, but yeah, I wasn't willing to get the propane torch out and try it, but regular 2000 watt generic heat gun, $30 heat gun, seems to do the job. This stuff is a mixture of polypropylene and EPDM, which is a kind of synthetic rubber, so it's a lot softer than normal polyprop. I've heard of this plenty of times before, but it's sort of like, yeah, okay. But it does work, so let's try it. This is for the RAV4. I'll post this on RAV4 World because I'm sure other people have the same issue. You've got to be quick and gentle with it. A bit soft now, so we don't really want it collapsing completely. If you get it too hot, it will permanently deform. A bit hot, but without the EPDM in it, ethylene propylene diene monomer, I think these would just completely melt. Polypropylene doesn't like getting that hot. So yeah, it has distorted a little bit, but overall it seems to have retained its original shape. That's pretty good. I'll probably go over that bit there a little bit more, but still, this stuff's pretty flexible anyway. You get it hot in the sun and it'll be more rubbery than this. It's still cool enough to touch. So yeah, all you're doing is melting the top surface really. Just starting to melt it. Too much heat, then you get problems. Not enough heat, won't do anything. But yeah, no part of that, even where I finished up, is hot enough to cause burning or anything. It's just cold. Mind you, it's not a hot day at the moment, it's quite cold outside. But that worked well. I like it. It does work on polypropylene, but you'd still have to be very careful with the temperature control. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.